a global platform. Now, I've tried internet marketing. I've tried to make money online, offline for years before I truly understood this. Like I would listen to so many of the gurus and the experts that would say, "Hey, you need a niche market. You need a small audience of people that are going to just be interested in what you want." You know, like those flying pig thumbnails that only like out of the 7 or 8 billion people that are on the face of the earth, only 12 people want those. That's the niche that you're after. And they were wrong. The secret to making a lot of money and doing it effortlessly is making sure that you are able to reach as many people as possible. And to do that, you need a global platform. You need a platform that will allow you to reach people across the planet. Now, does that make sense to you? I want to make sure that you get this. Give me a yes if that makes sense. The second thing is you need something that's evergreen, right? You need an evergreen product. You need something that's going to sell not only this year, but also 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I just interviewed another one of my students, Linda Allen. Linda says, Ty, with your program, I still make money from content that I published 11 years ago. That's the power of evergreen. You don't want something that's going to only make you money for the next 6 months, right? Like fidget spinners. Remember those things? If you guys have kids, you probably remember what a fidget spinner is. They were like all array for about a good year, and then they disappeared. No one talks about them, right? Now, the third thing is you need access to customers worldwide. So it's not enough just to have this global platform where people are at, but you need buyers. And that's where this third step comes into, right? This is the third step. This is one of the most important. When you have all three of these together, you're unstoppable, unstoppable, and your life totally changes, all right? So a global platform, an evergreen digital product. That's the other thing, digital, because we're not doing physical here. Man, I had some tough years trying to sell physical products. And what happens with that is, you're selling t-shirts or hats and you have customers that order the wrong size. The guy knows he needs an extra large. He ordered a small, and guess who gets the blame? They blame it on you, right? Or the lady over in California who orders your t-shirts and she orders a red one, but you know, she gets the red one and she says, "Oh, I wanted a green one." Guess who gets the blame? And now they have to ship it back. You have to reship. So physical products are a no-go for me. All right. Now I'm going to walk you through an overview of the entire three-step system of how you can put all three of these together. You don't need to live in the US to do this, as you just saw. You do not need any special business accounts. You don't need to deal with physical products, as I just spoke about, all digital. So that gives you that freedom of location, and you can literally be anywhere to make this work. It's a very easy, simple system, as you're going to see. Now, before we start, I want to talk about the importance of choosing the right platform to make money. Now, here's why platform is important, because most people fail when they start an online business. They take the long, time consuming, complicated approach of choosing the wrong platform that requires them to build funnels and websites, right? For me, being a non techie, this was an issue that kind of held me back. Trying to build up funnels, trying to build up the websites, it kind of held me back, and I missed out on making so much money because of that. Having a shopping cart, right? Or a way to accept payment. This is another thing that can hold you back. And I saw a lot of people put that in the chat box as well, right? Having a website or having a way to accept payment. Driving traffic. I saw a lot of you enter that in as well. So learning Facebook ads, learning YouTube ads, learning how to run GDN ads, all of this stuff can hold you back. Having a domain name, hosting account, the physical products that we spoke about earlier, and just what happens is when you're trying to piece all of these things together, guess what comes into play? Overwhelmed. How many people have tried a course or product and now they're overwhelmed, right? You get in this thing and you find that there's so many moving parts and you just become overwhelmed to the point that you don't do anything. So give me, yes, so much stuff. Absolutely, Lawrence, right? So let me know. So it makes it easy to give up, right? Catherine says, totally me. Yes, says Joshua. Tommy says, yes. Makes it easy to give up when you have all of these things. And that's why people are not successful. It's not because you're